Hey ladies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on a Samsbeauty wig, which I got two from them, but today I'm only reviewing one wig. I know, all. So it's only gonna be one wig today, maybe another wig tomorrow or a couple of days from today. But today's wig is going to be on a Sensational Cloud9 What Lace. Y'all know I love these What Lace wigs. The reason why I love them because they are like flawless, seamless. I love them. And when I go on their website, I'm always looking for them. But of course they have other wigs, but honey, I have to have the What Lace ones because it's undetectable really. And this one is HD lace and her name is Letitia. I got her in a color number 1. So we see the natural density right here in the hairline. Let's put her up closer where you can see her right there. Let me take her out. That way you really can see her good. And these wigs are very affordable, y'all. Very affordable, and I love it. They come in actually a variety of colors, but I wanted number 1 because I think black is really flattering on my skin. Of course, blondes and reds, but you know, honey, I love a black wig, okay? So this one is, and the number 1 is HD lace, which says keep them guessing right here. And they have the 350, what is it? Is that 350? 300 to 400 that you could be able to curl it. It's 100% premium fiber. And it says hairline illusion lace wig. Now, I try to actually read everything because in case that you don't know and you want to purchase a wig, you want to know all the specs. So that's why I'm like really going to take my time with it today and really get into the specs and what you can expect what's on a box, because it's easy to just see a wig, but it may not be what everybody wants. So we have down here pre-plucked natural density flawless hairline. This is the others, and this is actually the undetectable one right here. And you can see you will have to do a lot of customization to that one, but they already customized it for you. So that is really awesome. On the back, it's well crafted, as they say, well crafted, a 13x6, customized, 100% hand tied and pre-plucked to create a realistic natural density illusion hairline. And this one say well crafted, soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for a secure fit. And undetectable right here, they have translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out of the box. So they have features and stuff like that there. Then they also have the maintenance of your wig. So I think that I've gotten to everything. And like I said, this is a Cloud9 Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber. So let's go ahead on and take her out, and she's packaged really nice. This is what the girl looks like, and honey, she is gorgeous. I love this wig. Now she's actually a side part or a middle part. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with, but I am gonna go with one of these. So on the back, it has special colors, and these are all of the colors that you can purchase. You can select from. Then at the bottom of here, it just have like different names of different companies and stuff like that. So in the inside of the stock card, we have the beautiful young lady again. Sorry for my ring light, y'all. And it has everything that I have already read to you, the features and everything. So let's go ahead on and unbox her. So as you can see, she's boxed really nice. You just have to tear her apart. Everything apart, honey. Everything. It's a netting on it. And she has some curls on her, okay? They really protected it really nice. So I'm going to leave the stock card on while I go ahead on and show you. Now this texture of the hair looks like it's like yaki-like really natural yaki-like. So we see this is the lace. This is the 13x6 lace that you get, which is a frontal. It goes from ear to ear. Now you don't have a lot on the sides, but you do have a lot of parting space in the middle, so that's okay. We have one comb here, and we have a comb right there. So we have adjustable straps. And we also have, oh, I don't want to miss the important parts, y'all. We have baby hairs in the front. So what I'm going to, and she's really curly and really bouncy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do something different today that I don't usually do. I'm going to, I will go ahead on and try her on. And once, oh, wait a minute. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, honey. I'm here for this. I'm here for it. So what I'm going to do is try her on. I'll probably come with her styled already. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go ahead on and put her on, and I will be back to be able to either review her or probably style her. I don't know. It depends on, you know, what I feel like once I put her on. Okay. Okay, y'all. So what I did was went on and took her and just added a couple of braids in her just to make her a little bit more manageable for me. And I just used some Got to Be Glued to be able to go around my headline, my hairline. But y'all, I'm telling you, she is like really, really nice. But what it is that I don't think that she would be for everybody. And the reason why I say that is because of the fact that she is like really kinky. If you're not like with the kinky style or anything like that, I don't think that she's going to work for you. I don't think that you would, you know, be able to get along with her. She's really cute. And if you can see, she's natural looking. What I did was just put the little plaits in, and she's still kinky on the sides right here, if you can see. I'm going to go ahead and put the baby hairs down, and well, actually I'm going to tie her down first, and then once I tie her down, oh, I don't even have the back end. Once I tie her down, I'm going to put the baby hairs down, honey, and I will come back with her. Now, like I said, she may not be for everybody, because if you don't like kinky hair, honey, then this is not going to be the wig for you. But I'm going to tell you, this is the wig for me, because I like stuff that looks natural. Looks like it's like really natural. This is like a really natural wig. You know our hair is not totally straight. So if you're looking for something that's more on the kinky side, the yucky side, this definitely will be for you. I like the plaits that I put in. I put like 4 big plaits, and I could like bring them up a little bit, you know, but I'm not pressed about that. I think that it's really fitting for my face, and I put like a little ponytail in the back. So she is super cute. But like I said, let me go ahead and tie her down, because I don't have her tied down. And yes, baby, she is like lit. So I'm gonna go take care of that, and I'll be right back. Okay, babies, I am back, and of course I look totally different, y'all. I have butterflies everywhere, and the reason why is because I was just actually doing like a little photo shoot. That way I can put some of these pictures on Instagram in this hair, as well as, you know, in the ending of this video. It's some things I want to do with like some like graphic type things to do for this. But if you can see, I done put the baby hairs down. And yes, let me just take these butterflies out. These butterflies, I actually got them from Hobby Lobby. And I just went on and made a ring one. And I have these held down with some bobby pins. But let's go ahead on and get into the hair, y'all. I love this hair. This hair is like, oh my goodness, it makes me feel like I'm on a high, a natural high, y'all. I love the hair. Y'all see I put the 4 braids in right here. I didn't lift them up any further. I love it. It looks really natural, really good. So this is the Letitia Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber, HD lace. Keep them guessing. Yes, because this is gorgeous. Now, like I said, y'all, she do have like some, and I do have like a little something on I was doing like the picture with, so I don't want you to think I'm necking underneath the robe. But actually she does have like still some of the yakkiness. But if you can see from the picture, guys, her hair is yakky. It's like really, you know, if you can see through my ring light, it's really yacky. Let me see if I can open it up and you can see it more. If you see that, it's really yacky. Now, when I first tried the wig on, I was like, okay, it's a little too yacky for me up the top. So that's the reason why I put the braids up there. You might want to do that too. And actually, it's like a really nice, cute style. She's really cute. And she's not really long, but, you know, she still maintained her curls. I didn't comb her curls out. I just left it the way it was. And the back, I can't really turn around so you can see it, but she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. So y'all need to get your hands on her, because she is so cute. Can't you see? She is so cute, okay? She is so cute. So I'm going to wear her like this. I do have the lace down with the Got to Be Glued. So, y'all, I really like this. I really like this. Is more of me. You know what I'm saying? More natural, more, you know, even though she do have the texture that's like this, I love it. I'm not always for straight hair, so I think that it was a win-win. Letitia, honey, if I can give you 20 thumbs up, I will give you 20 thumbs up. Okay, so this is at Sam's Beauty. Sam's Beauty online. Now, what I'll do, I'll put the Instagram, I'll put everything that you need to be able to get your hands on this wig if you would like to get her. Letitia is yes, Letitia. Letitia, she is bomb. She is banging. She is lit, girl. Okay? She is lit. So, I think there is a coupon code for you. So, I will put that on the description bar or either on the screen. That way you can be able to see her. And yes, y'all, I don't have no cons. None. As I was doing the photo shoot, I was like, oh, honey, she is like giving me all types of life and vibes. Okay? So, I can't wait till Jay get home, that way he can be able to see her, because I know he's gonna love her. Be like, I love her. I love her. This wig is what, girl? What lace? What lace? Okay, what lace, girl? Oh my goodness, yes. And you know, she's not all in my face, and you know, like I said, little ponytail. That's it. You can either wear it that side, or you can just put her directly in the middle. I like her right here. On this side right here. I like her right there. And of course, y'all saw I had my little butterflies in, y'all. So anyway, like, I don't have any cons. No cons at all. She is so beautiful, so nice, and she is soft. The curls is not going anywhere. So I wouldn't even recommend you to brush her out, because if you do, she's going to get big, okay? And she's already big enough. She is big head friendly, the wig. Big head friendly. And she is just gorgeous. She is just so gorgeous. I can't say anything else about her, but that she is just really nice and gorgeous. And you see the curl right here, honey. She just had the snapback in her. Bam. Okay. So like I said, I will put everything there in the description bar, that way you would need to stop rambling on, that you would need to be able to purchase her. I'm just wearing her for the first time, so I can't say far as how, you know, far as the shedding or whatever, because I didn't really comb her. All I did was just part her with my fingers and kind of, you know, brushed a little hair out with my fingers and then started braiding her. So I didn't use a comb or anything. So I can't tell you about any shedding or anything. All I know is that she is beautiful. She is nice. She will last for a very long time, because it's nothing really that you do with her. You just take it out the packet, cut the lace off, oh, one thing I did forget. Even the baby hairs is like a yaki, like afro, like an African yaki. So it's still good to put down. It's even better to put down than I had on other wigs that are straight or that silky type of texture. The hair just went straight on there, and I didn't have no problem. And usually I do have a problem putting my baby hairs down, but honey, we had no problem. I didn't put any concealer or anything in the party. I'm gonna stop doing that, and the reason why is because I don't know, maybe it's me, but I like her. She looks pretty natural like this. You know, I don't need to conceal anything. Everybody knows it's a wig, but she is gorgeous. Okay, so let me get out of here. You don't like J Baby says. J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah. Are you gonna turn off?